Hi, Hoa. So Joy gave you some good feedback on your citation, and I just wanted to add to that and discuss a little bit more about your in-text citation. Your title page here looks really great. I would just be careful about your capitalization here. So do capitalize college and Evergreen Valley College. As I'm going through your in-text citation, I did notice you have some extra punctuation in here. So you do not want to put a comma before and. So in this case, your citation should just be Wallace and Van Hook without this comma. I did pull up a sample student essay from Purdue OWL's website, and I'll link this for you in the email that I send you. But I just want to show you the example here. So you can see they don't have a comma in between the name and the ampersand. So you just want to take that out. And going through again, you have an extra comma here. These ones are fine, but you do need to take this one out before the ampersand. Now here you have an in-text citation that you have not listed in your references list at the end of your research paper. And I know that that's the hospital policy. So you want to make sure that you include that hospital policy citation in your references list so that it matches. Usually the in-text citation includes 2 to 3 pieces of information. So that's the author's last name, year published, and then page number if it's a direct quote. So in this case, you have the name of the policy, but I would actually put the name of the hospital in the in-text citation and then reference the policy within your research paper. And then when you include the reference in your references list, you're going to start with the name of the hospital. So you would include it here at the end or towards the end of your references list. So essentially what that means is that your in-text citation, whatever the beginning of your in-text citation is, that's what needs to be included first in your references list. So those two things match up. That makes it a lot easier for your reader to understand where that in-text citation comes from. And continuing on with your paper, again, just be careful about your spacing. So it looks like there's an extra space here that you'll need to get rid of. Again, an extra space here. And is that the correct spelling for the author? Let's see. Mendez and Edwards. So watch your spelling when you are including your in-text citations. So let's go back up here. So there should be a D here. You've got an extra comma, and then you need to make sure that you use the ampersand sign instead of the word and in your in-text citation. So that's about it for the in-text citations in terms of just any glaring issues that I was able to catch. I do want to add a few more things about your references list. So for one thing, you need to title it properly. So it's actually references, not reference. So make sure you add an S there. Your references list is not alphabetical and it needs to be alphabetized. So this citation starts with a D, so this needs to go before Mendez, obviously. So alphabetize these citations. So Mendez needs to come down here in your list of citations. As Joy mentioned, this is not necessary, so go ahead and take that out. You just need the author's names, year, and then go straight into the article title. Another thing is that with article titles, you only want to capitalize the first word of the title or subtitle if there's one included, and any proper nouns. So just going back to our sample student essay, you'll see that the article title only has the main word capitalized, and then everything else is lowercase. And then here's the spelling for your title of your references list. Okay, so that's it. Those are the only additional things that I wanted to point out to you. If you have further questions or you need further help, just get back in contact with us. You can just respond to the emails that we've been sending to you. Thanks, Hoa.